We switched to Solar FX window film recently, which is a company out of Missouri. They provide us with all our window film needs. So we carry all lifetime warranty window films. We won't install anything that doesn't have a lifetime warranty. We do carry two types of films. We carry lifetime warranty dyed, and then we also have a ceramic film. We carry every shade in both types. So as far as film shades, we carry 5, 15, 20, 35, 40, 50, 70, and 80%. Usually the lighter shades are more sold in the ceramic film, where they offer higher heat rejection and more performance. We do also use a plotter to cut our film, so everything is computer cut. It eliminates the risk of scratching your vehicle. Also ensures a great fitting pattern for your vehicle.
So, another new thing we brought on this year was Sony. We still do Pioneer, we still do Rockford Fosgate, all the stuff we used to do, but we're really excited to have Sony in here. Sony boasts some really great products at really affordable prices. Like here we have the DSX A415, which is a mechless model. So essentially you get all the features, Bluetooth, hands-free calling, it plays MP3s, WMA, FLAC files, and you get auxiliary. The only thing this one doesn't have is a CD player, which, I mean, with CDs being kind of outdated, that makes this a really great unit. Then we have the N5200, which is basically the same as the mechless, but you get a CD player with it. You get a ton of different features, such as you can change the colors. It'll play FLAC, it'll play MP3, WMA. Then we have a couple different lines of speakers. We have the XS line of speakers, which is Sony's 4-way and 3-way speakers. They're very well priced at $32.95 a pair. They boast an incredible sound, great for even going on a factory radio in most vehicles. Then we have the XS GS1621s, which are a 2-way component series, or a component set. With that, you separate the tweeter from the woofer and makes it more of a full range sound from wherever you want in the vehicle. You can place the tweeter almost anywhere, and they do come with a passive crossover. So essentially that eliminates all the bass frequencies to your tweeter and all the tweeter frequencies to your mid-woofers. We have a ton of different amplifiers, subwoofers. We recently brought on a JBL as well to pair with our Rockford Fosgate and Sony stuff. JBL makes a great option if you're wanting to add a powered unit to your vehicle without adding an amplifier and all that. It's all in one. It's a single 12 and a nice little ported box. We have 4 channels, mono blocks, essentially anything you could need audio wise, we have it, or we can get it within a few days.